Have you ever taken signals?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, back in the day.
Back in the day?
Yep.
How'd that go?
Not good. I mean, they were good, but just like any signal, it's over leveraging or like this is going to be the signal that
The thing that
does
I
it.
found through doing signals with Forex League is unless you just manage their account in terms of like copy the signal to their account, it's really impossible to have someone benefit from signals because the signals are always aggregated in terms of the results on all of the trades. Mm-hmm. And if you're just somebody following signals, I mean, you don't know when a signal is going to come out. So you might be having dinner, you might be going in the gym, taking a shower, and the signal comes out and you miss it. And if they're not trading position trades, right, and you're not getting in right away, if it's like intraday signals or scalping.
Scalping
I mean,
signals.
how are you going to ever make money on that?
Yeah, you don't. You got to be up 24/7 to take signals.
You're just like on the
Just
chart.
waiting for your phone to go off.
Yeah, I find that interesting. How popular they are. I mean, even I've taken signals in the past. Like I've taken signals and passed an FTMO account with signals, like way back in the day, right? So I definitely, it's alluring, it's attractive, but I think at some point you learn that if you can't do it yourself, there's no point in doing it.
No, you got to be able to do it yourself because if they weren't there, what would you be doing? You have to
be shot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So what do you think in your life has built resilience, for you to take on trading and do all this failure and make it through and everything?
I think I've always been a pretty patient person. So I've had to just incorporate my patience into trading. It took a while, but I think that's the biggest thing. I'm trying to think.
And what's developed that patience? Like, where does it come from?
Like, how am I just a patient person?
Yeah, in general.
I think that's just kind of just who I've always been. I've always been, like, growing up, I wasn't, like, really excited for, like, holidays and coming up. I was just kind of, like, that level-headed kid. I never got into, too much trouble with my parents, or I was just always that good kid. So
really?
I think the
level-headed,
the patience was just always there, and so I've just used that in life for everything.
So you're born with it. It's innate.
Yes.
Interesting.
It may be my greatest strength, but also a weakness with some things.
Well, so has trading been the thing that's challenged you most in terms of your patience in life?
Yes.
Yeah. You're like, yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, other than my son. But.
Okay, fair enough. And you said at dinner, I'm just curious, at dinner the other night, you said that you were a college athlete?
Yep.
Okay. Has that contributed anything towards your career? Like, what lessons are you taking from that?
I think with being any sports athlete, discipline. So just having that, again, supportive coach, always just positive affirmation type stuff. I think that's led into like me also like always wanting to strive for more, and that comes from my wife too. Just looking for freedom and financial freedom, and so I read like motivational books, and I'm always trying to keep up with new ways for personal growth.
Yeah, personal growth definitely important for your journey.
Yes,
and it's gonna continue to be a hell of a journey. So for you, you had said that one of the most important things when choosing a firm to work with is reliability of the payouts.
Yes.
Right. So right now you're trading exclusively with TFT. It sounds like you're curious. Maybe there's other options out there, but you want to scale up TFT, right?
Yeah.
You reach the max allocation.
Yep.
So what else, when it comes to TFT, do you enjoy? I know we spoke a little bit about it before the pod.
Sure.
But yeah, what else do you enjoy about the experience?
I like that you guys incorporate the community a lot. So, and even just like down to like the logos. Like, hey, here's 5 different logos. Which ones do you guys like? Or the polls for like the next promotions. So you're really in tune with like making sure everybody's involved. So I think that's a big thing for a lot of people. I'm not big in the community. Like I said before, I watch for the promotions to come out, and I'm waiting for a good one. So
it just came to my mind, like, imagine you're telling me that you're not big in the community, but you're actually like the most active person in there.
Yeah, no. I bet like done like 3 messages ever.
Okay, fair enough.